Alright students, let's learn the technique of dividing a polynomial by other polynomial. So here, this is a polynomial and I want to divide this polynomial by x minus 1. So how do we go about it? Alright, first I'll concentrate on the first term of this and first term of this. Well, this is x cube. Now I should think I should multiply x by which number so that I get x cube. So intuitively, I know that if I multiply x by x square, I will get x cube. So I multiply this whole thing by x square. So what do I get? First I multiply x square by x, I get x cube, and then I multiply x square by minus 1. So I get minus x square. All right. Now leave some gap, draw a line, and change the sign like you normally do in the division. So this is plus becomes minus, this becomes plus. Now x cube minus x cube, it cancels out. And now minus 3x square plus x square becomes minus 2x square. Simply drop the terms above down. Minus x plus 3. Alright, now you think again about the first term and the first term of this. Concentrate here. Now I should ask myself, x should be multiplied by what number to get exactly this? Minus 2x square. So there's other way of doing it also. Simply divide minus 2x square by x. So it becomes minus 2x square divided by x square divided by x is equal to x. So it becomes minus 2x. So I'll multiply the whole thing by minus 2x. And I get here minus 2x square, and minus 2x multiplied by minus 1 becomes 2x. Again, I leave some space here. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, minus 2x square, and plus minus 2x square, it cancels out. Well, minus 2x minus x is minus 3x plus 3. Now, again I should concentrate on first term x and minus 3x. X must be multiplied by what? So that the answer is what? Minus 3x. Obviously, x should be multiplied by minus 3. All right, I'll write here minus 3. So I get minus 3x when I multiply minus 3 by x, and minus 3 when I multiply it by minus 1. I get plus 3. All right. Plus, minus, everything cancels out. In this case, the remainder is 0. All right, students, this is how we learned how to do division of this polynomial by this polynomial. Okay, there's another thing I want to tell you. How can we check right now the remainder theorem? The remainder theorem says if p of x is divided by x minus a, the remainder should be p of a. In the polynomial, simply put the value of a. Now you see this polynomial p of x was equal to x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3, and we were dividing it by x minus 1. So what should be the remainder? Remainder should be p of a. P of a means this is a. P of 1. That is equal to, simply put the value of x is equal to 1. 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. So you see guys, everything cancels out. P of 1 is 0. Remainder theorem says, that when I divided this polynomial with this, my remainder is 0. And from this, students, I get one more judgment. Whenever my remainder is 0, my divisor, that is x minus 1, and my quotient, that is x square minus 2x minus 3, both must be the factors of dividend. What is a dividend? Thank you very much. To see more videos, see our YouTube channel, Learn CBSE, subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.